And if I die, then I die.
Die Rotterdam Marathon. Bye bye!
Are you excited for today?
I'm so pumped. I barely fell asleep yesterday.
What is the purpose of this run?
Every year we got about 300 students and employees from the Erasmus University who join in on the Erasmus charity run. We try to collect money to get funds for scholarships for students who can't afford to go to the Erasmus University.
Derman is one of the students who received the scholarship last year.
I'm gonna run for the next year's scholarships. It's a great motivation for me. That's why I'm here.
Are you participating as well?
No, I'm busy organizing it all day.
I've been running for a few years now. I love running. That's what keeps me mentally sane. It's like my kind of meditation, my kind of slowing down, although in running you actually speed up.
I'm feeling very excited and highly motivated.
I'm feeling good. I think it's gonna be good. I'm gonna be hanging out with my friends. We're gonna be walking. We're gonna be running. And if I die, then I die.
Bye bye!
Afstand 1/4 van de tweede.
Kom Rij!
Je hebt geen nummer. Niet voor je.
How are you feeling now?
I'm feeling very tired and happy because I did the quarter marathon. My legs are killing me right now.
What is your message for the next runners for the next year?
Donate and participate.